Children, today we will do our lesson number 11, that is compound personal pronouns. Let me tell you, compound means mixture of two. You will watch that there will be words that will be made with two words. That's why it is compound personal pronouns. Compound personal pronouns are formed by adding self, self, to my, your, him, her, it, and selves, selves, to, are, your, them. Means to say that self is added with singular and selves is added with plural form. See, my plus self, myself, him plus self, himself, your plus self, yourself, your plus self, yourself. These are plurals. See, 1, 2, 3, these are plurals and others are singular. I, you know, my, you know, it comes with I. Okay, from I, myself, from he, himself, from you, yourself, from she, herself, from they, themselves, from it, itself, from we, ourselves. Okay, the use of compound personal pronoun. The compound personal pronouns are used in the following two ways. There are two ways that we can use compound personal pronouns: reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronouns. You will be watching that same words are used in reflexive pronoun and same words are used in emphatic pronouns. But there is a difference between using, only understanding it is needed because words are same. Reflexive means there when you are watching in the water, what are you watching? Your reflection. Means same to same. In water, your reflection is there, nothing changed. You are watching everything that is with you. Yes, same it is with the reflexive. It means that the compound personal pronouns are called reflexive pronoun when the action done by the subject, when subject is doing something and it is turning back to it, then it is reflexive pronoun. I found myself unable to move. We hid ourselves. You express yourselves very clearly. Then there is emphatic pronoun. I myself saw her do it. Means to say I found myself unable to move. मैंने पाया कि मेरे से हिला नहीं जा रहा. We hid ourselves. हमने अपने आप को छिपा लिया. किसने छिपा लिया? हमने. Okay. Action is coming again to the subject. See, I found myself. मैंने अपने आप को, यानी कि myself is going back to the subject. You will read this sentence. The cat seated itself. Cat बैठ अपने आप बैठ गई, right? But in these sentences, let me tell you, I myself saw her do it. मैंने खुद उसको देखा. Means to say when you are giving some importance, you are giving importance to yourself. Sometimes you are doubtful that I have seen. No, मैंने खुद देखा उसे. When you are giving stress, then that is emphatic. Okay, when you want to give stress, then it is called emphatic pronoun. But when the action is coming back to the subject, that is reflexive pronoun. Words will be the same, but one shortcut I will tell you, that reflexive usually comes after the verb. Okay, in the end it usually comes, very rare it comes near the subject, and the words which will be near the subject mostly. And the another method is, if you will read, you will watch that some importance is given, then it is emphatic. Emphatic means emphasis, importance we are giving. Reflexive means reflection, it is coming back. Same words are there. See the exercises. The horse, for animals we are using it, and with it we will make itself. Okay, Don and Julie, they are plural, we will make it themselves. Monica is a girl, we will make herself. doctor himself, right? I myself do it dash. I do not have time means someone is saying to you, do it yourselves. According to the option, it will come. Okay. Let us just relax and enjoy ourselves. Means we are saying together, have you heard yourself? The company has got itself into difficulties. You have a right to be proud of yourself. Yourself. Right? Company non-living itself. It. She told me the news herself. She herself. They themselves. The manager. He himself. I myself. We ourselves. Okay, with plural selves and with singular self. Okay, again I am telling you, reflexive means when the action will be coming back to the subject. Emphatic means when you are emphasizing something, you are giving, you want to give importance. Okay, thank you.